Hey everyone, and welcome. Look, we're always hearing about how AI is changing the world, right? But what if the most important part of that whole story isn't the AI at all? What if it's actually you? Today, we're going to dig into why you are the most critical piece of the puzzle in the future of AI. So let's jump right in. It's a question you've probably thought about. I mean, as AI gets tangled up in our work, our social feeds, and even our big life decisions, who is actually in control? Is it the algorithm? Or is it us? The answer, believe it or not, it's pretty simple. It's you. Your choices, your judgment, and your ability to step in. That's exactly what we're exploring today, why your agency is the real secret sauce for building a better future with AI. Okay, first things first, we have to completely reframe how we think about AI. The point isn't for it to replace us. No. The real goal here is augmentation, creating a seriously powerful partnership. This is what we mean by augmentation. Just imagine AI as the ultimate assistant. It can handle all the tedious, repetitive, data-heavy tasks that drain our energy. And that frees us up to do what humans are amazing at, thinking creatively, innovating, and solving really messy, complex problems. I mean, look at this. It's a perfect team-up. AI is a powerhouse when it comes to finding patterns and automating tasks, but it has no idea how to do what we do. Things like creative thinking, showing empathy, or making tough ethical calls. That's our job. The future isn't man versus machine. It's man with machine. So, if AI is our new partner, what does that make us? Well, it makes us the manager. You got to start thinking of AI as your new digital teammate, and you're the one leading the project. And this is not a passive role, not at all. It means you are actively deciding the what, the why, and the how of using this technology. You're the one making sure it serves a real purpose and reflects our values, keeping people at the heart of it all. So, how do you actually do this? Well, it breaks down into a pretty simple three-step process. First, you decide. Is AI even the right tool for this task? Sometimes the answer is no. Second, you decompose. That just means you break the problem down into pieces, some for you and some for the AI. And third, you direct. You have to give the AI super clear, specific instructions to get the job done right. Now, this power to direct AI, it comes with a massive responsibility, a huge one, because we are the ones who have to build and maintain the ethical guardrails. You know, being truly AI literate isn't just about knowing the tech jargon. It's built on a foundation of a bunch of different fields. And right at the very center of it all is ethics. Things like fairness and responsibility, they aren't just nice to haves. They are absolutely essential. And this is exactly why ethics is so critical. AI systems learn from the data we give them. So if that data is full of our own biases, and let's be honest, it often is, the AI doesn't just learn them, it can amplify them on a scale we've never seen before. It's the oldest rule in computing, right? Garbage in, garbage out. But with AI, the stakes are just so much higher. When you use flawed data to train a system that's going to make millions of decisions, those flaws get baked into the system at an incredible scale. A small bias can become a massive systemic one. Ultimately, bias in AI is like looking in a mirror. It just reflects the choices we've made, the data we decided to feed it, the priorities we programmed into it. So when an AI is biased, it's really because we, as a society, are biased. This brings up the whole black box problem. Some of these AI systems are so complex, even their creators don't know exactly how they reached a conclusion. But think about it. If an AI denies you a loan or makes some other critical decision about your life, you absolutely have the right to know why. We need that transparency to make sure things are fair. Okay, so we're the managers and we're the ethical guides. What does this all mean for us, personally, as this tech just keeps evolving at a wild pace? In this world that's being reshaped by AI, the single most valuable skill you can have, it's not coding, it's adaptability. Things are changing so fast. To really thrive, we can't just learn something once and be done. We have to commit to being lifelong learners. And it's not just about learning technical skills. It's about your mindset. We need to stay curious, always asking questions and exploring what's possible. We have to be adaptable, ready to pick up new tools. We have to lead with empathy, constantly thinking about how this tech is affecting real people. And most of all, we need a profound sense of responsibility for how it's all being used. And that really leaves us with this one final thought. AI systems, they're designed to constantly update, to iterate, and to learn from new data.
They are built from the ground up for continuous evolution. So the real question for our future isn't just about the technology, it's about whether we're willing to do the same.